So this is the early prototype of the mason jar for sprouting or for whatever. What's up? You probably clicked on this video because you don't have a mason jar but you want to sprout, or I don't know why the fuck do you want a mason jar but you want it and you don't have access to it. You're probably in a similar situation like I am. I'm not from the United States or from UK or whatever where I could just order one from Amazon. I would have to wait for weeks and it would be very expensive. So I've decided to make a DIY tutorial. It's a DIY tutorial, of course, not DIY, on how to make a mason jar. I was searching far and wide to get a mason jar and I wasn't able to get one here in Slovenia, so I decided to make my own. This is an early prototype. I'll make it nicer one, but it works. And it's what it matters at the end, that it works. So let's just go into the tutorial. So basically what you need to make a mason jar is a jar. Obviously, you can buy a jar specifically for that, or you can buy, I don't know, something like pickles or something that is already in a jar and you eat those pickles and you have a jar. Then you'll need like a kitchen knife to just get, god damn it. Okay, so you need a kitchen knife so you'll be able to cut the lid of the jar, and you need something like a simple scissors to cut out the god damn it, to cut out the hole in the lid. And something like this is for against mosquitoes, I guess. You know, see little holes in it like this. I don't even know how to call this. A net. You need like a net or some shit with these little holes, so big enough holes that water can come out of them, and small enough holes that seeds don't fall out of the jar. Step one, what you need to do first is take a kitchen knife and just stab the lid. Alright, Jesus, this is not working. Alright, you just do like a hole in it. You cut out like a little piece like this. And then once you have like enough big hole or whatever, you just take, you take your scissors and, oh fuck me, and you cut a big enough hole in it. It depends what kind of hole you want to have. You just go around in a circle. Be careful because the whole lid is very sharp if you're not cutting it precisely. Basically like this. The next thing you do, you take a net, you place a lid on it, and you cut out the big enough square or circle or whatever you want to do. You can always correct it afterwards if it's too big. If it's too small, you'll have to make a new one. It's basically what you need to do, just a simple square. The last thing you need to do, take a jar, you place the net on it, and you gotta be strong, but you need to push it down hard, and you screw the lid onto the jar, and that's it. Now you can also cut these corners to make it nicer. Alright, so you see, now it fits kind of perfectly. It looks nice, it looks good. Bam, you see, that's how it looks. You have a lid on. Obviously I need to screw it up obviously to be a little stronger. It's not on the jar perfectly yet. That's it. That's how you can make your own mason jar. It's pretty simple, it's pretty quick. You just need to be careful with the lid because it might be sharp. This one is not. It could get messy if you're not careful. So yeah, boom, here you have all 4 of the mason jars, the DIY mason jars that I created myself. You need approximately 5 minutes to create one like this if you have all the necessary equipment. Maybe it doesn't look the nicest, the hole in it, but it works, and that's what's important. You see water in. These are not seeds, these are just some water in, water out. Bam, boom, boom. Works perfectly. Of course, clean the mason jar before using it, but I'm sure you're not that stupid that you would not know that. I have some broccoli seeds. I have some broccoli seeds and some China rose whatever seeds. I don't even know what this is. So for some sprouting, I'll do a video on how to sprout in a few weeks maybe. That's it. Have fun sprouting, or have fun whatever you need this for. Thank you so much for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, hit the bell icon. I think this video deserves it because this is like the best DIY tutorial on how to make a mason jar. Probably not the best one, but it's definitely one of the simplest ones. I don't know, it's pretty easy to make one. It's super fast. Hope you liked it. Thank you so much for watching, and good night. God damn it, it's hard with one hand. Fuck's sake. I need to put it like this. So, alright.